Tomorrow morning, a new resort casino opens up over the state line in New York. Today, I found out how MGM Springfield plans on dealing with the gambling developments in surrounding states. The grand opening of the $330 million Rivers Casino and Resort in Schenectady, New York, will take place on Wednesday. The ceremony will celebrate the project's completion and the opening to the public at noon.
It's a competitive business, to be sure, and it's gotten more competitive because all states are looking for ways to make revenue.
The facility features a 50,000 square foot gaming floor with 1,150 slots, 67 gaming tables, and a 15-table poker room. It's touted as the first Las Vegas-style casino in the capital region of New York. On top of that, it has restaurants, an entertainment lounge, a 10,000 square foot event center, a spa, and a 165-room hotel opening in the summer. MGM Springfield says they're on target to complete their $950 million resort casino by September of 2018. And they said they're going to be able to compete with the developments in surrounding states with the quality and entertainment that they offer here. MGM Springfield's project spans 850,000 square feet. They will have a 6-story, 250-room hotel, retail, dining, and gaming spread over 3 blocks downtown, all to be complete at the same time as construction on I-91. The Pioneer Valley Planning Commission's executive director says he's confident that the economic growth from the project will be seen despite competition.
From what I can tell, we're talking 3 times the size, and so that's much more of a magnet because there's more offerings.
MGM said their innovative design, marketing plan, and branding will set them apart to make Springfield a premier destination. 22 News will be going to Schenectady tomorrow to give you a look at the Rivers Casino and Resort.